It's about loyalty and allegiance. And the typical example is free Amewu. The people were allegiance to him because they saw say obetimi bibi ama. And that's why he changed the mind of the people. Even though it was a strong unity, I don't know how they want to see and feel whether say oh no obeye bibi ama omo. But a personality and are mostly omohe. Because you say no, Amewu say bia say NPP for Sasana. One here they will lose the seat. All because one no matnan wa carbon wetimi satisfy their needs. So they were able to trust him. Even though there is a stronghold, they think say where papa we betimi aboying. And omanya evidence to prove. Until Amewu has prove a case. Says something can be done even if you are allegiance to a party. But you need sir. And when I was a political you for very careful. Say when it comes to traditions is there. When it comes to politics, even though they are allegiance or obetimi and I say sa linkage in no, but you can still break it or reduce it. Because if you vote now 2016 no, it was around 40,000 or 60,000 and about 100,000. So some numbers are 14% is at least in that case, you know, say the people involved in those areas, you know what a bit me aya de bia ma yehu say e bia e say rose your maye ye ka ho asemi na man for ground someone say we ni ayam strongholds no to change somebody's mind is difficult. It's like say obi are you accustomed to brand be say bia o you be up BMW to change the person to use Mercedes Benz, it will take some time. Inti Amewu use our strategy no say obetimi changing crofo adwen ohun identify new maybe and will make sure so obey your madwen enye that day near to aba no yes sir for the past years.
So my next question will be, how do we guard against that so that the chairman enquire affect equitable distribution of development?
Yeah.
Imagine by say okay, Kofu there a stronghold. This is what they have decided to do, to irrespective of what I do for them. This is my stronghold, and the main channel development no boom so that baby develop it, baby and develop it. And we have heard many political pundits propounded that argument.
We are president, you can't do that. You don't discriminate. If you're a president,
because you want political power.
Yes.
So you give to those who will give to you.
But if you are a president, you can't have that agenda, right? You can base on resource, a be a free region anyway, you know, where you have to. Here, fair does not mean say equal. Being fair does not mean it's equality. So let me tell you, and the be deserve to them. So, but you cannot say we want to aba maminti bia omu hia aduane omu hia nsu a me mfama omo. That is an unfair way of dealing with we a president. But I believe said there should be fair distribution of resources and projects, but not equal, because ubia anywhere here say be a bit more equal. So fairness should be there.
So fairness doesn't mean equality.
No. That is not equal. Say be a me menya we nti so man bi. David. Yesu me man busa question bi na ma dwen ho sa. Omo say na Yesu esu afo no obani. My people say as you for obey him yes wanya they say me here say me twa say
yes apply affirmative action
me say pass am ha me pa o so me yi me kwa ko busa ma ba na me say danim and look at this enti ade bia WONTUMI enye the politics has its own dynamics, but Mimi who say Amewu has proven a case for us. And Ashanti region so no. WONTUMI ka say when we say I didn't make us a fairness no. WONTUMI ka say higher stronghold. Now we weni emaha. Now because we just say we say call baby that equality. Say ni say fair whatever. And we are say no. Baby a resources are benyani when you give what belongs to you. And obia needs is different. Obia needs is different sometimes. Provision of by your national also obia also enya so ne de. In that case there should be fairness. And I think said the constitution does not dwell on equality. No. The constitution does not dwell on equality, but fair in even appointment, fairness in whatever equitable resources allocations. We have to guide against that. And being a president, you cannot have a certain intentional policy. Say, me concentrating all other. Yes, you are creating a situation. Say, obisoba no free the other side. Then that is where. Until their own national policy, but at the end of the day, there should be fairness in whatever you do. Imbalance.